Feeling ng mga netizens, patama ng kapuso actress na si Kylie Padilla kay Aljur Abrenica ang cryptic post niya sa social media patungkol sa isang great leader. Pagkatapos kasing mag-file ng Certificate of Candidacy ni Aljur para sa pagtakbo niya bilang councilor sa Angeles, Pampanga ay naglabas si Kylie ng kanyang saloobin tungkol sa pagiging magaling na leader. Nag-post ang estranged wife ni Kylie sa kanyang Facebook account kahapon, October 7, ng quote kung saan inilarawan niya na ang isang great leader ay a man who sees his family as his first unit. Narito ang kabuoang mensahe ni Kylie, a good indicator of a great leader is a man who can lead his family. That is his first unit, his first community. A man who has a heart close to God. Service is about what you can do for others, not what they can do for you, sabi pa ni Kylie. Maraming sumang-ayon sa ex-wife ni Aljur at dinugtungan pa ang cryptic post niya ng kasabihang, a good father is an example of a good leader. Narito ang ilang komento ng netizens.